Ladies and gentlemen, we here at Radial & Sons have got a dandy for you today. Volvo G710B motor grader. Extra nice machine, low hours, showing about 6,280 hours. Super clean on the engine, no leaks. Volvo power. Let me show you this right here as well. All of it's real clean. Now, back, look, check this out. Factory rippers. That's not cheap. So if you need that, it does not have the rippers to go with it, but it is factory rippers. I want you to see that. Here's the other side of the motor here. As you can see, it has air conditioning, and it does work. Now this machine is pre-def, pre-emission. Check the tires out. Check this rubber. These are Radials. I'd say 85% rubber. Nice clean cab, never smoked in. Steps, not tore up. 12-foot moldboard. All right, we're going to crank it up and show it to you, what it'll do. Look at these tires. Isn't this nice? Front end's tight. Hydraulics to the front. Does it get any better? Maybe. Let's see. Not an ounce of smoke out of that motor. Hydraulics very good. Blade sliding. Tilt. You want to see that all these functions on these motor graders. Does like it's supposed to, turning. Alright. It is articulating, no problem. See it leaning over. And you can see that the rippers are coming up. Going down. All the functions on this machine work. And we can't find a leak on it. Trust me, we've looked. It does have the backup alarm. This is a nice running machine. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a nice motor grader, we've got it. Give us a call here at Radial & Sons, and as always, we greatly so much appreciate your business.